Hi, Stuart. This is the Cinegy podcast straight from NAB, and we're talking about digital workflow.
Well, my name's Stuart Murray. I'm Managing Director of Candela Media, all the way over from the UK. I've been involved with digital workflow for quite some years. I used to work at BBC Technology, running their product development unit. The main deal is breaking down the traditional silos that people work in. Certainly if you looked at old tape-based workflows, you would see people who would handle tape, you would then see people who edit, you would see people who share media using sort of old long-form techniques. And really the new sort of workflow approach is breaking down those barriers, so it's allowing people to ingest from a single desktop and then move straight into the edit sequence, share that media dynamically online with other members of the same team, add documentation associated with media, planning tools, all the way through to scheduling, transmission and playout. Really, with a tool like Cinegy, you can now do that from a single workstation or from a bunch of workstations all bundled together to support those sort of advanced workflows. The real world detail there is at the end of the day it's down to cost. In today's market you're seeing increasing numbers of channels coming out on digital platforms, which means broadcasters and producers have got to produce much more for much less. And at the end of the day, that's what the workflow technology is about: reducing cost, increasing the amount of creativity for the book. And that, at the end of the day, that's what it's all about.
And how do you achieve that?
Really with the concentration on identifying new workflows, new ways of working within the organisation, multi-rolling, so getting people, instead of sitting in their silo of what they used to do for a job, people are now becoming multi-talented, multi-skilled. They're interested in how to provision to new outlets. And again, that's key to the new world. Candela Media is now very involved in IPTV. And again, you need tools to be able to support those new workflows and new ways of presenting media, maybe out to the web. And you need tools that can support those new ways of working in order to bring in the pounds. If you just take a technology-focused view to changing how organisations work, it will more than likely fail. One of the things Candela Media sort of primes on is working with organisations to change the way that they work, to deploy the right technology, and often that means the right technology at the right price. But really, concentrating on allowing people to change the way they work, to change the way people interact with media, change the way they interact with their customers. And at the end of the day, it's down to customer satisfaction. If you're not transmitting, the end product which the customer wants to see, you're going to go out of business real fast.
And so you're finding that Cinegy is a good tool for you to actually adopt to customers' needs?
Cinegy is a great tool. I mean, from our consultancy point of view, one of the big things I like about Cinegy is, it's real powerful, but you can start off real small. So with a single workstation, you can really take in all the tools that Cinegy has to offer, start experimenting, start looking at your workflows, and really start building that change. And that's the key, is building the change. And as you grow, you can then start adding new nodes to the system. You can expand out the storage options. So it starts small, but it can quickly become a very, very powerful and entrenched tool, which is flexible.
So start small, build it up.
Start small, learn about the new workflows, learn about new ways of working, find where you're going to make the cost savings, and then start building out the system.
I think you got the answers. Anything you want to add to our viewers out there?
No, just come and see the product. It's a great product, and if you're at NAB at the moment, come and see us.
Thank you very much.
Great.